Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 ways that you can style or make over those $1.25 Christmas trees to look like high-end Christmas decor. So for the first Christmas decor DIY that I want to share with you guys, you're going to need 2 of the $1.25 Christmas trees. You can get the green one, you can get the white one, whatever color you want to get. I don't think they have a pink one, but in some places they have different color ones, especially for Easter. So whatever color you want, you can use whatever your style is, you can get that color, but I want green because I do traditional green. And you're going to get 2 of them and you're going to attach them together with zip ties. And what you're going to do is you're going to take one at a time and you're going to separate all the twigs onto one side of the tree, and then you're going to do that with the other one, and you're going to attach them with zip ties. This way the tree looks a little bit fuller because these trees can be very skimpy, and so attaching 2 together just makes it a little bit more fuller. To make these trees look a little bit more high-end, I plan to put them in little planterns, and so to put them in there I'm going to actually connect this to some foam. This is that soft foam that you can get at Dollar Tree in the craft section that you can actually it's very soft and you could push things into. So I'm taking one piece and I'm pushing the bottom part of the Christmas tree into that first piece of foam, and then I'm taking the other piece and taping it together, and that way it adds a little bit more height. I like this foam because it had 4 different pieces, so I can adjust the height depending on my planter. So depending on how thick and deep your planter is, that's how much of the foam that you would need for it. Now in the summertime I found this planter that I share with you guys that I loved the style of it. It is a dark gray. It looks like it's black, but it's not. It's actually a dark gray, but I wanted it to be black for Christmas time because I like black and white. So I painted it black, and then I added the Christmas tree to it. Now I will say I did spray the Christmas tree with that fake snow because I kind of like that look of the fake snow. But I will tell you guys, once you see me working with this tree, all of that fake snow falls everywhere. So next time I think I'll just probably paint it because the fake snow just got everywhere. I think I'll either put it last or just not do it at all, because as I was putting things onto this tree, like you guys will see, all the fake snow was falling down onto the black planter, and then I had to wipe it afterwards. I did want to add some lights to this tree, so I'm taking these LED, I don't know what they call it, LED shimmery lights, and they're battery operated, and I wanted mine to be battery operated because I'm actually putting this in my living room, so I didn't want to have a lot of plugs in it, so I'm doing the little battery operated LED lights. I love these. There are small little like strings, so you do have to move it around a lot so you can get it spaced out so it can reach all parts of it, but it does make it work. And then I wanted to add some berries to it because I feel like I love the look of red, and I like adding berries to greenery during Christmas time, and this just gives it a high-end look. You can actually leave it as is, just the Christmas tree just being green or just being sprayed with the white snow if that's your style. But you guys know I love those touches of red during Christmas, so I had to add the berries, which again I got it from Dollar Tree, and these are just the regular small berries that don't have the frost on them. I figured there was so much frost from the tree itself, and as I was putting things on, some of the frost was falling on the berries anyway, so I didn't need to. But I just love the touch of green on it. It just looked, the touch of red on it. It looks so pretty. But again, depending on how your style is, you can leave it as is plain, or you can add the berries. It's all up to you guys. And this is how it turned out. I just love it. It looks so cute by my fireplace. I made 2 of them. I'm actually thinking about making some next year in a bigger planter for the front door, but this came out so pretty and so high end. Again, you can see that there was snow still left on the planterns. I have to wipe it a little bit more, probably touch it up with some paint, but all the snow fell down. That's why it's not as black as it's supposed to be. But this is so pretty. It looks very high end. I've seen this in the store for much more, for about 50 bucks, no lie. And I made this with Dollar Tree products for way less than that. For the next Christmas decor DIY, you're just going to need 1 Christmas tree, and we're going to make what they call a Christmas swag. I've been seeing it all over all over online and on TikTok and Instagram and different stores, different people buying them and also making them. Some people use 2 Christmas trees. Some people use the big $5 Christmas trees at Dollar Tree. Depending on where you're putting it at, is the size that you want to make it. I wanted to make mine to go under my outdoor lights outside, so I didn't need a big one. I just needed one that was exactly the size of the Christmas tree, so I'm using one. But again, like I said, you could use 2, or you can actually use the $5 Christmas trees that Dollar Tree has. But what you're going to do is you're going to just take one and fluff it out. Basically fluff it out, lay it flat and fluff it out to one side, because it's going to be like a little swag. And then get any bow that you like and put it on the top of the Christmas tree. Well, actually it's the bottom of the Christmas tree, but this will be the top of the swag. Now I was going to put a bigger bow, but when I tried to put the big bow, it was covering all of the greenery of the little Christmas tree. And I want the greenery of the Christmas tree to show, because I'm going to add some berries to it. And I'm going to add the frosted berries that Dollar Tree has. This is the bigger size ones. And I'm just going to add them just like I did the other Christmas tree. And a lot of people, when they do make these Christmas swags, they do have the big bows with the ribbons hanging down, and they cover all the greenery. And so it really depends on how you want to make your Christmas swag. And if you Google Christmas swag, you will see so many different DIYs or different ones that they have at the store, so you can kind of get the idea of the style that you want. Some people put this on their door outside. Like I said, I'm making this to go under the lights by my garage, so I needed mine to be a little bit smaller. But again, you can make it whatever size you want depending on the length of where you're putting it at. Once I was done putting the berries on, it still looked a little bit skimpy to me. So luckily Dollar Tree has these little like garland pieces that you can buy separately, and you can add them to the tree, or you can add them to different parts of your house. So I took different pieces and just basically twisted them around the areas that looked a little, looked a little bald basically to me, and it needed like a little bit more of fluffing or a little bit more of the greenery, and just added the pieces that I needed. And I think I only used like 3 pieces. So this bag is always good to have, because you get like 12 pieces of this greenery, and you can add it to different decorations you're doing with the tree itself, or different things in your home. So this is really a good thing to have on hand for Christmas time at Dollar Tree. So if you see these, definitely stock up on them, because they do go fast, but they're always great to use in DIYs, and also great to use for decorating your home. And this is how it turned out. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to put it outside this year under my lights, because when I went back to Dollar Tree to get some more trees for these DIYs, because I ran out of trees, they didn't have any more of these Christmas trees, guys. These little ones go fast every year, so if you want them, grab them when you first see them. And I underestimated how many I needed to make all these DIYs, so I wasn't able to make 2, because I wanted them to go under each light outside in the garage. But next year I will have it, and you guys will see it when I decorate my home with it. But this is so cute. I love the way it came out, and like I said, so versatile. You can use it under the outdoors, under lights. You could put it on your door, you could put it indoors, even if like you have a classroom, you could put this anywhere, and it's just so cute. But again, I always say Google Christmas swag so you guys can see the different ways that you can decorate this, because there's so many ways that you can make your Christmas swag that's different from this one that you guys might like. These last 2 Christmas decor DIYs was inspired by the Daily DIYer. She made a video sharing all the different ways that she uses these Christmas trees, and so I was inspired to make these next 2 ones by her. So for this one, you're going to need 2 of the Christmas trees, and you're going to attach them in the middle with zip ties, basically having the metal parts overlapping each other and then zip tying them together. In my Dollar Tree haul, I share with you guys this Christmas bells that I absolutely fell in love with the details on them. And so I'm going to take 2 of them and add them to the middle of these Christmas tree decor. Then I took this velvet bow that I shared with you guys in my Dollar Tree haul, and I attached it to the top of the bells, right onto the greenery part, right in the middle. After the bow was secure in place, I started fluffing up the greenery. I then added the same berries to this that I added to the berries in the first Decor DIY. And this is how this one turned out, and I think this is another one that came out cuter than I expected in my head, and I love how it came out. I feel like this will be perfect to go over like a doorway, like a door frame, but you could put it anywhere. You can also put it over a mirror if you guys have mirrors when you first walk in. I know a lot of people in their entranceway, they have those big mirrors when they first walk in. This will be pretty over that, or even over your TV in the living room. There's so many different places that you could put this. Let me know in the comments down below different places you would put it, but I think this one came out real cute as well. For this last Christmas decor DIY, you're going to need 6 of the trees. I know I'm just showing you 5. I actually showed 5 and thought that I needed it. And then once I started putting this stuff together, I realized I was like, oh, I need 6. So that's why I kind of ran out of the extra tree for the other DIY. But you're going to need 6 of them, and you're going to take 2 each and attach them together just like I did the previous DIY. And then you're going to take those pieces and attach them together as well. You're going to start off by making a X with 2 of them, and then you're going to take the last piece and then you're going to cross it over, basically making a star out of this. And then you're going to fluff it out like you do, like I did with the other stuff. You're going to fluff out the branches and spread it out as the way you want it to be. And then you can basically add whatever you want on here. Of course, you guys know that I love the bows and I love the red berries. So that's what I did. I added a big red bow in the middle, and I decided to add berries to this as well. And this is how this one turned out. And even though I liked all the ones that I shared with you guys today, this one blew me away. I really love how this one came out. It's so big. It looks so high end. You could pay so much for this at the store, but I didn't have to. I can recreate it with much less with Dollar Tree products. So I have to give big props to the Daily DIYer for creating this and coming up with this. This was such an amazing idea. So I'm glad she inspired me to create one of my own, because I love it so much. And like I said, this is more expensive in other stores, and I made it with Dollar Tree products for way less, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I apologize that I'm sharing these with you guys so late in Christmas time. It's just Christmas got so busy for me, I couldn't share it with you guys early enough, but hopefully this will inspire you for ideas for next year, and I hope you love everything that you saw today. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.